Okay, so this is Sao Paulo in Brazil. This street is called Avenue Paulista. It's basically the most popular shopping strip, I guess, in the city. And on Sundays, they close down the street to traffic, and people just basically walk up and down the street. It's very social, like lots of people out. It's really super hot as well today. It's like 35 degrees, I guess, in Celsius. But yeah, it's just a really fun spot. Like everybody's out here, like street vendors and what do you call it, buskers. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for a little bit of a walk down the street so you guys can sort of take it all in. I'm not sure what this big red building is. I think it might be a subway or something like that. But yeah, and then they also over here, so there's like a police wagon here, so everything is really safe. But the great thing about this city is it's very urban, and at the same time it's also very jungly. So I'll just really super quick take a walk down here and show you guys what I mean by that. So let's see, basically in here it's like a big park area. It's like huge and it's really tropical. So yeah, that's it. This is Sao Paulo. Enjoy.